Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here guys on a Dodge Dart, but what we'll be doing, it actually may work on Chrysler 200 as well, because both of them share the same platform and many parts are interchangeable. We'll show you guys, if you have sunroof guys, okay, sunroof right here, and you need to remove or replace the sunroof motor, stay with us, we'll explain where it's located, how to get to it, how to remove it and all that stuff today guys. Quick introduction, every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Dodge Dart, will be making at least 200 videos. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys need to buy a new motor, replacement parts, any of the tools that we use, check out the link in the description of the video below guys. It's there for your convenience, okay, so you can save even more money on car parts and tools. This is it guys, this is a 2015 Dodge Dart we'll be demonstrating on, but it may work on Chrysler 200 as well. This is the sunroof, and stay with us, we'll show you how to get to the sunroof motor now. We need to start disassembling a few things and we'll be able to get right to it now. So let me show you now guys, okay, we'll start here. What you need to do, you need to open that storage compartment for sunglasses. Inside, okay, inside I'm trying to focus, you have two screws, one here, one over there. These screws guys, there with Torx 20. Okay, start looking bit, let me focus quick so you can see what I'm talking about. I just have a hard time focusing today with the camera. I think it's because it's still very cold. Okay, right there, that's what it looks like guys. This is the start looking bit, and what we're going to do now, okay, we'll just remove two screws. First one is coming out. Okay, let me grab it. Okay, the first screw guys came out and it looks just like this one right there. Second screw now. Okay, again. Right in the cup holder. If I was trying to do that, I was not going to. Always makes my day when I do something like that. So now guys, what do we need to do next? You need to close that thing. Okay, grab it on the front side, pull it down. Okay, come out like that. This is guys, okay, the dome light here, assembly, everything. So how we guys remove it? Okay, now nice. Wish I had somebody to help me. I'm gonna hold it with the knee here. Pull up. Okay, and this thing guys came out. You can see just like that. So now let me show you guys, once we remove that dome light, okay, the whole assembly, okay, you need to get now Torx 25. We used Torx 20 earlier, now we need Torx 25. Okay, let's hold the camera. Okay, perfect, just like that. Right here you have one screw. Okay, let's come down a little bit. Okay, perfect. One screw right here, one bolt. Get it out. Okay, you can see long bolt. Now we have one more here. This is the second one. Okay, both of them are practically guys identical. So let me see if there is a third one, because it's a little bit hard to get to here. Yep, there is one third one that is hidden guys. Okay, so the third one, okay, is actually right there. Perfect. Now we grab the motor guys, we pull it down. Here there is one connector. Okay, we need to press in here and disconnect it. And as you can see guys, this is your sunroof motor, okay, right here. So that's how you guys remove it. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. We have a video on the channel guys that explains how to test those as well, and how to rebuild them. If you want to check it out, it's not too complicated. How you open, clean them, lubricate them, inspect everything, and how to test them as well. So check it out. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. If you need to purchase a new one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching, please subscribe, and see you guys next time.